Hello everyone. On this video we are going to do the following program. We are going to use PyScripter for Python 2.7 to request an integer number from the user, and then we are going to use the if-else construction to tell the user whether that number is even or odd. How are we going to do that? Okay. For if, we will write something like the following: if, and here one condition, colon, here whatever we need to do if that is true, and else, colon, and here whichever we need to do if this was false. Okay, so if, and here some comparison, and if this comparison is true, we are going to do this. Else, we are going to do this other thing. How can we know whether an integer number is even or odd? Easy, by using the modulo operator. Okay, if we go to Wikipedia, okay, the modulo operation finds the remainder after the division of one number by another. Okay, so here, if we divide a number by 2, okay, and the remainder is 1, that means that the number is odd. Okay, but if we divide another number by 2, an even number by 2, the remainder is going to be 0. So let's do the following. First of all, let's get our number from the user. Okay, from our previous video, you know that we have to do this, which is your number, for example. Okay, this way, okay, we are going to ask the user, which is your number? Okay, that data is a text that we are going to convert it to an integer number. Okay, and now we're going to get the remainder of the division of this number by 2. If the remainder is 0, that means that the number is even. And if the remainder is not 0, that means that the number is odd. How can I ask that? Okay, if remainder is equal to 0, okay, to compare something, we need double equal signs. Okay, so if the remainder is 0, we're going to print the following message: the number, whichever number the user has provided, is even. Okay, and which is that number? That number is whatever we've got inside variable num. And else, we're going to print the number is odd. Let's try this. Okay, which is your number? 45. And the number 45 is odd. Which is your number? I'm going to invent another one. 32. Number 32 is even. Okay? Look carefully at this. I'm not doing this, okay? I don't need to do this, okay? If the remainder is 0, the number is even. How many other possibilities do I have? If it is not even, it is going to be odd, okay? So I don't need, on our else, I don't need any other comparison, okay, any other condition. Okay, else never has a condition after it. Okay, we write the condition after if. So if the remainder is 0, the number is even, and else I've got no other possibilities. The number is going to be odd. Okay, there is other way we can do this, which I like most. Okay, which is the following: instead of directly printing the messages there, we can do this. Okay, we can create a variable called msg, for example, okay, which will hold this message or this other message, and after the if-else block, I am going to print the contents of this message. Okay, so here what do we have? We request a number, we work out the remainder. If the remainder is equal to 0, okay, as we have seen on our tutorial, okay, this must to be indented. If the remainder is 0, I am going to create this message. Else, I am going to create this other message. And after this block, I will continue here, and I am going to print whichever the MSG variable contains, okay? Or this, or this. If I execute this, we'll see that with an odd number or with an even number, I will get a correct result, okay, this way. So try to understand this construction, okay, before you continue. That's it.